just did eyebrows using MYOB's Deep Brunette Precision Brow Pencil. And it looks like this. And it has this where you can, like, you know, you twist it up, and then the brusher thingy. And okay, and this godsend is a brow tint with fibers in the color Sable. They also have it in Brunette Lights and Hold Them Down. Come on. Oh no, Hold Them Down is a gel. So they have it in Brunette Lights, Sable, and Blonde. So they come in 3 different colors. But man, these two together are amazing. I love it. It's not like a super thick brow. It's not like where it looks like gelled down. It's not where it looks gelled down. And I think it's like super light. I love it. So yeah, I'm not sure if you have to use them together, but I chose to use them together, and it worked for me. So, and of course I used my Pro Conceal LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer. This is Cool Tan. I want to go darker because I thought it was too light, but whatever. It's too late now. So, but yeah, absolutely love them. And not just because I have to, because they actually are like great. They're actually great together. I haven't used them separately, but together a perfect team. Yeah. So, MYOBcosmetics.com. For 20% off, use my discount code The Curvy Goddess, THEE Curvy Goddess. So yes, get them and get your life and get your brows life, because they're amazing. So leave a comment, tell me what you think, tell me what else you want to see, like, share, subscribe, and until next time, thanks for watching.